Hello, good evening. I want to show you my recipe. I'm the executive chef for Dolci Capricci, and I show you the recipe for the dish Vucciria. The bisque sauce, peanuts, and the tulle bread, the basil dry, onion and tomato cherry, and mussel and parsley. With the parsley leaves that I remove beside, and tomato cherry, I start with the chili and octopus for prepare my ingredient. After this, I cut the squid in crossway, and then the prawn in the middle, and the mussel ready. Cut the onion, slice, julienne, and cube. Very fine. I put beside, and I broken the ginger, and I cut in two parts with the lobster, and with the knife I cut the head and the tails, and again in the other side I take the crab, I broken in two parts, and you see now, I repeat for 2 times with the other one. Same way, I clean and remove the legs, and then I prepare and launch in the border cut prawn and octopus, and I cut after this the prawn, and the next I take the claw for the lobster, and the next step I take the spaghetti black with me, and I put inside the boiler in automatic, go down, and this amazing system, and then I wait 7 minutes for cooking. After this, I take the pot in the burner, and I start with the oiled olive, garlic, that I put later, and parsley, and coriander, and onion in one time. Slow, fry everything, and you see, again, I put the squid with the oil, I whisk a little bit. For the next I put the lemongrass, and then a little bit the oil just for add, and the mussel, and the shrimp together in the pot. I add the octopus slice, that's me already. I cut and I save the long octopus for finalize the dish. Anyway, I continue with the crab. That's me, I broken in 2 parts for 4 parts. And the claw for the crab. I add the claw for the lobster, and a little bit of salt, and the next step is the chili. That's very important for the seafood. The ginger, and the head for the crab for decoration the dish. The original need to wet this plate with the wine without alcohol, but me I put directly inside now the bisque sauce that you can see now. And the next step is a little bit of corn flour for get the cream, the sauce, for have the sauce more cream and velvet. Now I take the pan and I put in the table, and I prepare for put assiete all the ingredients that's me I cooking already in the pan. So for me this is one dish that I creation with my passion for the seafood, inspiration for the Palermo in Vucciria market fish where you can buy everything. So I put now the mussel and I start to give the design how I want, and in this moment I fix all the ingredients inside in the dish with the design, same the fish, and wait the time that's the cooking the spaghetti that's almost ready. So with the clips I put the squid and the prawn, and I finalize with the chili. I tower the sauce in top for finalize the dish, and I remove the pasta that is already done. Just I roller with the clips, and I prepare in one dish for have the best solution in top and the ingredient that I prepare. So later I put the octopus and the shell for the lobster that I have the basil dry with the chili, and the bread tulle that I prepared before is one chips bread with salt and pepper. This is the bread chips, and this is the dish. I finish already, and I can presentation my Vucciria.